Hello, Alexa. Can you get me Jenny?
Good morning, Tom. Here are the topics you can choose from. Please select one or call it out.
Support for a product I already own.
All right, you selected support for a product I already own. Please select the product you want to know about.
LG dishwasher.
Here are the topics I can help you with.
Converse now with product manual.
All right, here is product manual information. Please select one.
Setting up dishwasher.
All right, you need help in setting up your dishwasher before using. Great! Here is some information that might be useful. You may want to further explore these additional details.
Changing parts.
Okay, so you want to go deep in changing the parts. Sure, here you go.
Show images. Hello, Alexa. Can you get me Jenny?
Good evening, Tom.
Hey, Jenny. You remember the control panel picture we found in the morning? Please bring it up.
Sure, here you go. Hope this information is useful.
Yes, that was quick. Goodbye.
You are welcome. Goodbye, Tom.